Which color blood collection tube is used for a troponin test? Is the correct answer A, the purple EDTA tube? B, the gold SST tube? C, the light blue citrate tube? Or D, the green lithium heparin tube? The correct answer is B, the gold SST tube. Troponin, both troponin I and troponin T, is a serum-based test, which means it requires a gold-top serum separator tube for collection. Why the gold tube? The Gold SST tube contains two key components: a clot activator that speeds up the clotting process and a gel separator that, after centrifugation, forms a barrier between the serum and the clot. Once the blood is centrifuged, the gel rises and separates the serum from the clot. This serum is then analyzed by the laboratory to measure troponin levels. Why is troponin tested? Troponin is a protein released into the bloodstream when heart muscle cells are damaged. Elevated troponin levels are a key marker for acute myocardial infarction, making it one of the most clinically important blood tests in emergency medicine. So in short, gold tube equals serum equals troponin. A simple rule worth remembering: